Good morning. Grateful for another beautiful day. Looking at the charts, remember we have no news today. We have news tomorrow, so price is going to be very, very choppy today. Looking at the 1 hour, it's just moving sideways. There's really nothing more to say. It's moving sideways on the 1 hour chart. 15-minute chart, the same thing. We moved into this imbalance right here, could not break it. And I believe we're going to be continuing to, just move sideways, maybe take previous day's lows and kind of just move within this range. I'm not expecting much today. I may not even trade. But what I will do is at 9:30 open, I'm going to mark out the high and low of the 9:30 open. And I'm going to see which way price goes. All right. So let's just sit tight and see what happens. My plan, I don't have a direction right now. There's no bias. I'm going to basically trade off the price and where price is going to go. So stay tuned. All right. So I'm expecting, I drew in the lows and the highs of that 5-minute open. If price breaks the low, if it displaces down, comes up and retests it, then I'm going to short, and vice versa. If it heads up, then I'm going to wait for the price to retrace back down to the high and then take price up. So we'll see what happens. If price takes out previous day's lows, I'm going to look for a change in the state of delivery and price to take price back up into this imbalance. All right, you're going to see me take this short right there. As soon as it rejected off of 5-minute low, I basically took that short. Looking back into hindsight, I should have went long when there was a change in the state of delivery at a lower time frame. That was my fault. I didn't trust it. I was very, very confident that this would have gone down, and it was my fault. And the recording stopped for some reason, but this ended up being a losing trade. I definitely risked more than I should have. And then you're going to see in this trade, I longed, and I basically longed this inverse fair value gap right there on the 1 minute, and it didn't work out well. So I lost about 100 on this one because I trailed my stop and I got stopped out eventually. Yeah, today I didn't do too well. I kind of started to go on tilt, and it's not good. It definitely isn't good. Emotionally, I wasn't doing well. Mental capital was, I was basically stressed out. And I don't want to trade like that. Yeah, non-red folder news days, I'm definitely thinking that I want to not trade. Let me know how y'all did today. Let me know your setups. I'm going to wait for the PM session to see how price action looks. All right. I entered this trade at a FOMO. It definitely is a FOMO. There's no justification. I was looking at an inverse fair value gap, and I wanted to enter that, and then I missed the entry, so I entered here, and I realized that I was FOMOing in and decided that I just need to stop trading altogether. I closed out this trade and I'm done. I'm just going to take the 2 losses. I'm going to walk away, close my laptop, and call it a day. So that last trade was definitely a FOMO trade. I'm glad that I just closed out that position and didn't wait for anything. Even though price is moving in my favor, it just isn't good practice. And I need to cut that habit out immediately. So right now, with the 2 losses and that one small win, I am down $515 for the day. My ending balance is $27.1578. It is what it is. I took 2 bad trades, and that's it. I am over a little bit on my daily risk limit, but I'm okay. I'm okay with this loss. I didn't overtrade. I almost did, but I am now gonna continue to practice discipline. So let me know how y'all did below. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm and join me on my journey to 100K. It's been a heck of a journey. It's been very stressful, very frustrating, but I will get there. Catch y'all tomorrow.